Good afternoon, and you guys will not believe this. Snazzy sent this to me, and I said I have to do a video. Pennsylvania police discovered 7 children living in a trailer home that was in obvious disrepair and disarray, with feces on the ground. One of the children had maggots in her hair. 6 of the 7 children were clinically malnourished. Their parents, Crystal and Shane Robertson, faced 7 counts of felony child endangerment, 1 for each child. They had a padlock on the refrigerator so the kids couldn't get food. Their mother called them human garbage disposals. Well, I think we all know how kids eat, and they should eat. These are the parents, so-called parents. This is in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and I am just beyond fired up about this. Clinically malnourished. None of the children have received a formal education. Some did not even know their own birth dates. Maggots buried in their hair. How can that even happen? How can that even happen? You guys look at this with me. You leave me a comment and you tell me what you think, because I'm disgusted.
The big story on Action News tonight is the horrifying discovery made by police in Bucks County. 7 children living in deplorable conditions, unclean, unfed, uneducated. Officers have now arrested Shane and Crystal Robertson, charging the parents with 7 felony counts each of endangering the welfare of children. Police came upon the kids, who were 4 to 16 years old, almost exactly a month ago. Some of them allegedly hidden, others in an abandoned trailer. And tonight we're learning the extent of the conditions those kids were subjected to. Action News reporter Annie McCormick joining us live at Penn Ridge Regional Police in Sellersville tonight. Annie, the details here are just appalling.
Yeah, and Brian, those children ranging in ages from 4 years old to 16 years old, they remain in the care of the county, where they have been since this investigation began in April. Their parents were charged last week. These are the parents accused of neglecting their 7 children in this Sellersville trailer park home. 47-year-old Shane Robertson and 37-year-old Crystal Robertson charged by authorities after a concerned neighbor called police when she saw the kids breaking into an abandoned trailer.
I seen them going into the trailer next door here and taking some things out, and that's why I called.
Tammy DeHaven's call to police on April 23rd triggered an investigation, and the children, ages 4 to 16 years old, were placed in the care of the county. Police say Crystal admitted she put a lock on the refrigerator and referred to the kids as garbage disposals with legs. In the course of the investigation, authorities found none of the 7 children had any formal education and all lacked basic knowledge. Some of the children did not know their own birth dates. And the children had extensive medical issues, including at least one who had maggots and needed most of the hair shaved from her head since the damage and infestation was so dire. The parents are currently out on bail, but did not come to the door today.
It's horrible. I don't understand how parents could do that with their children.
I hope they're better off. They're in a better place. So I hope they're taken care of. So that's what they deserve. They deserve to be children.
And Brian, tonight, each parent faces 7 felony counts of child endangerment. For now, we're live in Sellersville. Annie McCormick, Channel 6.
7 felony counts, and there's probably going to be more. What kind of conditions do you have to live in for maggots to be in your hair? Who would chain a refrigerator door shut? Who would do that? Who would deny their children food? Who would not give them formal education? This is insane. Again, leave me a comment. and tell me what you think, because I am floored.